Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see if you're looking LinkedIn Sale Navigator Advanced Plan. So might be this video is helpful for you if you visit on LinkedIn official website. The price of LinkedIn Sale Navigator Advanced Plan $200. If I'm telling you, you can get this subscription for just only $17 per month. MyPCKey platform are providing such amazing features and offer as well. In this video, we will see how to get this subscription and what is the process. Let's start on my Mac screen. So first of all, I will tell you, this is the LinkedIn profile of my better half and I want get this subscription here. This is not a premium one, not a LinkedIn Sale Navigator subscription is not activated yet. Open here Google and type here mypckey. Enter. So first link is display here. MyPCKey buy 100% genuine license key at very minimum prices. MyPCKey registered by Google. Review as well, people are providing very positive review out of 5 4.9. MyPCKey platform recognized by Trustpilot. Also people are providing very positive review and Etsy platform as well. I personally use so many years continuously MyPCKey services and they are selling much more different subscription as well. Which subscription you require, you should visit this platform. Link available on video description. Today we target LinkedIn Sale Navigator Advanced Plan 100% off. Redeem link 1 month. 50 in mail credit, enterprise activation, what we receive, personal account access, advanced plan, advanced search filter, lead generation, and so many features. And the price only $17 if you MyPCKey discount code as well and you save 10% as well. Rest of information they are providing here, you should go through with. Now how to purchase, just simply click here buy now. Here we apply here specific the coupon and just simply apply coupon is apply and final price is the $15.30 for 1 month Sale Navigator advanced plan. Just simply provide here your address and mobile number and email address. Email address is important because of they are sending the email activation code or link in this particular email. Payment point of view, if you're living in India, you can use Paytm, PhonePe, Google Pay and UPI. If you're living in abroad, so you should use PayPal, credit card and cryptocurrency also they are accepting. I personally use here in PhonePe. Need to just simply press the order. So my final price is $17 comes in INR 1550 INR. I just simply complete this process. Provide here the mobile number if you have PhonePe. So definitely I have PhonePe. Here the address and then process. Here I simply select here the wallet, generate the QR code and using my mobile phone I just simply scan this process and complete this payment. My payment is completed. I just simply go back here in my email and boom, I'm receiving this email and inside the email, thank you for order. Please log in your LinkedIn account. First of all, you need to always open your LinkedIn account in new tab. So my LinkedIn account is open here. And afterwards, you just simply click this link and magic is happen. Look at this here, connect your account to Sale Navigator, get access. Sale Navigators provided by the company, your invitation email. This one you will added this profile here, name, accept and continue. Still my profile is not premium, but now we can see here. Welcome to Sale Navigator, Dr. Monica. Sale Navigator. Here's Power LinkedIn and get start. Say next, search and save today. And if I go back here in my main account and if I refresh here, so boom, my account is now premium. It means LinkedIn Sale Navigator features is activated on my profile. It's really genuine and authenticate website to provide you these features very affordable prices. If you have any question related on this process, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.